picture it. The year is 1977, and American motorists are experiencing the full force of new emission regulations that have taken a toll on horsepower. Appearance packages are extremely popular for anything on four wheels, and Dodge has some of the best packages available. Among them was the cool as cool can be Warlock, a decked-out single-cab pickup adorned with pinstripe and attached to a short flare-side pickup bed. It sat a little higher, came from the factory with cool wheels, and it featured wooden bed rails for a truly unique look. Now, the Warlock is back. At least, in name anyway. Say hello to the 2019 Ram 1500 Classic Warlock, built on the outgoing half-ton Ram chassis and wearing its own modest appearance package just the original truck did over 40 years ago. Sadly, on the new version you won't find cool stuff like gold wheels, wood bed rails, or snazzy pinstriping, arguably the defining features that made the original Warlock stand out from the crowd. It's also a tad bigger, available only a quad cab or full-on four-door crew cab model. Still, this new Warlock isn't without some tricks of its own. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you next videos.